Hello everyone, thank you for tuning in to this next tutorial in the DataYard how-to series. This particular tutorial will show you how to use DataYard tools to change your Connect Mail password. First things first, who is this tutorial for? Well, it's for Connect Mail users only, and only those users will be able to change their passwords using this tool. So how do you know if you have a Connect Mail account? First of all, you just possibly know. You've looked at the invoice and you know what services you have, you know what you're getting billed for. Second way is that you have an @donet.com email address. All @donet.com email users are considered Connect Mail users and can change their password using this tool. Third, if you use webmail to get to your email box, and that's at webmail.datayard.us or at webmail.donet.com, then you are also a Connect Mail user. Fourth, if you know for a fact that you're not using Connect Exchange and all the features included with that in your business, if you just have a simple email box, you are most likely a Connect Mail user. And finally, if your email client is configured to use either the POP3 or IMAP transfer protocols to pull your email from DataYard's email servers, you are most likely a Connect Mail user, and this tool will apply to you. So how do you get to the tool? Go to your web browser and type in http://tools.datayard.us. In most browsers, you can just type in tools.datayard.us and it will take you where you need to go. If you type it in without the HTTPS, doesn't matter, we'll automatically redirect you to the secure version of the page at https://tools.datayard.us. Either way, you'll get to the right place and you'll see a page that looks just like this one. To use this tool, you first have to log in with your current username and password, your current Connect username and password. Then you'll be prompted to enter your new password, following all the rules for a good password. You'll have to re-enter your new password to confirm, press the Change Password button to activate the change, and then you'll need to go and change all your email programs on your laptops, desktops, iPhones, etc. to use your new password. All right, enough talk. Let's go and show you what this actually looks like in practice. So we'll go to the tools.datayard.us URL, press enter. It takes us to the login page. I happen to have a user that I've created for this experiment called drhugo.non, and I will log in with his password, his current password, press the login button. Takes me to this screen where I can change the password, and this kind of reflects what I was talking about earlier in the previous page. You'll have to enter your new password following all the rules and re-enter it to confirm. So I'm going to choose a new password here. All right, and you see as I type it in, it's telling me which one of these good password combinations, good password requirements I'm satisfying. If I were to type in a really bad password like password, you can see that I am 8 characters long and I have lowercase letters, but I don't have a number, I don't have a special character, no uppercase character. So just follow those rules. If you don't see a check mark next to it, you need to make your password a little more complicated so that other people can't log into your account very easily. I have to type in that password again to confirm it, and as soon as I type in this last character, you'll see this X go from a red X to a green check. That means my passwords match. Press the Change Password button, and I have successfully changed my password at this point in time. I can log out, go back to the Tools page, and I have changed the password for my Connect Mail mailbox. So that's all there is to using the Change Password tool. If you need additional help, no worries. You can contact us via email or phone. You can call us at 937-226-6896, option 1, or email us to support@datayard.us. Either way, we'd be happy to help you change your password using the Connect Mail password change tool. Thank you very much.